Hey guys, this is the bike I got from Amazon. It's a very decent bike. I have no really big issues with it. Currently it is on its last peg for its height. And right now, as a 6-foot person, it just doesn't seem to want to adjust for me at this moment. So let me get it straightened out, and it's two different positions, and I'll show you. So here's its first position. It looks nice, it works well, of course. But as a person who is 6 feet tall, I need my leg to be straight in order to get the proper exercise that's needed. Sadly, this bike does not do that. I always exercise at 10, and when I do exercise, I'll always hear a knocking sound. It doesn't happen too often, but it happens often enough. But with headphones on, you won't hear a thing. But you will feel it. Alright, let me get in its last position. I'll show you more. In its last position, it's a Recumbent. And it looks decent. But like I said, same thing. Same issues. I'm 6 feet tall and not able to get my leg all the way straight down there. Yeah, my pedals are a little too tight, but even if I had it all the way in, it just wouldn't be right. Exercising like this, I don't hear the knocking as often, but it's still there nonetheless, and you can still feel it. Other than that, it's a pretty good bike. I have no other issues. Have a good one.
Here's it. Is one of this is missing.
Yeah, I just got the product today, and when I'm starting to use this device, I keep getting noise. You see that? I don't know what's happening inside, but it kind of annoys me.